Welcome back to Big Al's Nature. If you saw last year's Blue Tit box, you will know how that ends. But for 2023, the box is clear, it's been rehung, and it's ready for a new start. Unbelievably, just hours after hanging the box back on the tree, the Blue Tits were back inside, checking it out, tapping on the entrance, doing their little wiggle dance. And this continued all the way through February and March. And on the 1st of April, it was quite clear that the Blue Tits had chosen this box to nest. Slowly but surely, they were bringing nesting material in. And if we leap forward to the 15th of April, you see exactly how much progress they've made in the last 6 weeks. But I think this is going to get a lot deeper before they even think about laying eggs. So if you're interested, keep checking back and I'll update as soon as something interesting happens.